Silat isn't about fighting, it's about ending fights. This is Maul Mornie, world-famous expert in Silat, one of the deadliest martial arts in history. Today they will gonna show us how it works.
Hit.
And why it's so effective. And it all starts with the knife.
People, they would go like this and go slash, or they go one here, they go boom, boom. We learn how to defend against common attacks. Don't try to go attack.
Yeah.
You go.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But that's very common. Everyone does that.
But we're not here to drill. The drill is to create skill. So when you fight, you use the skill, not the drill. So I go boom, boom. Now it's your turn. You pass my hand.
Boom, boom.
Backhand, and then you come back.
Oh, okay.
So this is the drill. So now, if I take it as an application, I'm here.
Yeah.
So if you give me a backhand,
yeah,
I have to pass.
Ooh.
And if I don't want to push you, I just want to break your wrist. It's here.
Ooh. So you didn't disarm me, you just attacked me.
Yeah, I don't need to disarm you.
Really?
Because if I'm focused on,
Yep.
then, because it's impressive. If my life is on light, here, goes for a punch.
Yeah.
Okay, see that?
Yeah. Oh,
I know where you are.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah.
And I know where you are.
Oh.
So the goal is hit. I know where you are.
Oh.
Then,
So you're slapping my shoulder instead of my head?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
so that I can simulate a real reaction.
Yes.
But if I go like this, react for me.
Oh, yeah.
It's too slow.
Yeah.
You react correctly. Then I have this. See the control. Then one time.
Yes.
We aim for the liver, the ribs,
Okay.
the neck, back of the head.
Right.
Here,
Yeah.
groin.
Oh.
Because if you're the guy who's holding the knife, you think you are in control, and
see.
I'm the victim.
Yeah.
So I want to change that role, just like that.
So you want to become the attacker?
Yes. So most people, you go and then you come back again.
Yeah.
I'm too focused on this.
Yeah.
Yes. We don't focus on that. We focus on, rather than do this to throw you, I use the skin to throw you. Yes.
Wow. If I'm not wearing this, you have to grab the skin.
Yeah. And I'm not using my nail. If I do this and you pull, they're gone.
Yeah.
Basically, you will have a scar or you will get a nail scratch, but it's gone. So I want to make sure I fold your skin in my...
Yeah. Can we get a close-up of how you fold the skin, just so people can see that?
So basically, I'm here, I pin and I fold it in.
Yeah.
So it's not this.
You're using my skin like my karate uniform.
Your gi, yeah.
Wow. I've never seen that before.
So I'm here, I move, you're out, and this one.
Okay. Wait, he just ripped the skin on my ribs.
Yeah, it's this one.
I've never...
Same thing, you roll it forward.
Yeah.
Because we don't have gis.
No.
So your skin is...
Yeah.
Your skin is the...
That was the skin inside of my thigh.
Yeah.
What are the biggest mistakes you see people doing when it comes to knife defense?
Well, my opinion, yes.
Yeah.
I'm not saying everybody else is wrong.
Right.
So basically...
Everybody tells you to run away from a knife attacker. But Silat takes it one step further.
Usually, if you bring a knife, you also have other people bringing a stick, bringing a pitchfork. People have a mob mentality.
Mob mentality?
Yeah. So this is why your first goal is to run when you see knife. But make sure you injure someone. First. Really bad.
Yeah.
So that's like the person that need to...
Yeah, so they will take care of that
while you run.
when you run away.
Yes. So you don't just run, because if you run, then they will chase you until you go out of breath. So this is why everything that you do is always when you come.
Yeah.
Here, sit. See. Right. High.
Up.
Press.
Wait, we're doing a drill, and I've never done this before.
No.
How did that happen?
Because I'm giving you this.
Yes.
I'm not giving you this. So if I give you this, I don't give you options. I always want you to be on the outside of my hand. But you don't know that. Yes.
So you're attacking me because you want a specific response from me that you can then take advantage of. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
See, if you put your hand up,
like
I just hit it.
So that was my natural reaction, was just to protect myself.
I just hit it.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Oh, you're hitting my arm on purpose.
Yes. I see that coming up. Yeah. That's what I want.
Bam.
Then.
Yeah.
Elbow.
Yeah.
I'm looking. See, I'm looking for reaction.
Yes. So he just hit my bicep and it really hurts.
Yes. So if you come to attack me.
Yeah.
So boom. See that?
Yeah.
Clear my hand. Underneath. Clear my hand from underneath.
Like this?
Yeah. See.
Oh. Yeah.
I push you back.
Yeah.
Yes. But if you take a look, I'm always pushing you. I'm always pushing you there. I'm always pushing you there.
Right.
If I'm not pushing you, I'm hitting you. I'm hitting you, or I'm dragging you.
I am never stable. I'm always moving somehow.
Yes, because my goal is to push you off the bridge.
Oh, so it's like we're fighting on a bridge. Okay.
So,
Many villages in Southeast Asia were built on water. This is reflected in the techniques of Silat.
if I'm a nice person, I just push you off the bridge.
Okay.
If I'm a sadistic person, I'll break your ankle first, or I break your ribs before I push you off the bridge.
Okay.
So that's the thing. So this is why when you come to attack me, boom, come. So this is the water, no?
Oh, yeah.
If you want to grab my neck, and then to stab me, boom, then I push you this way.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is,
That foot sweep was interesting. Can you show that again?
Yeah.
So how does that? Okay.
If I'm here, boom, then I disarm you first. Yes, you come attack.
Okay. I attack. Yeah.
What I do is take like this. That, now I take the foot sweep.
Yeah.
I want to stand up. I want to anchor you here.
So you're pushing.
Anchor. So there's two ways of doing it. I anchor you down, or as you're busy here, I anchor you there. Boom, there, boom, then. So this is why if I do a sweep, imagine I sweep and you fall down. Then we just make you angrier.
Right.
Because there's no pain.
And I can still stab you.
Exactly. And then that's dangerous.
Yeah.
So the thing is, I want to make sure I put pain first. So imagine if I hit you in the liver or I break your ribs. Then I push in the water. How are you going to swim? That's the old mindset.
Yes.
So you have empathy. But only to a certain degree.
Yes.
So you're okay to break his ribs. But if he dies, I didn't kill you. You drowned.
Because this is a traditional martial art.
But this is why our goal is do the drill to have skill. But when you fight, you use the skill, not the drill.
So do you always want to be on an angle?
Your power line is like a train. Pam, pam, pam.
Right.
Pam, pam. So you want to make sure you go from here. I go from here. You go from here. I go here. You go thrust. Boom. See? Clear. Boom. See? Thrust.
Oh, thrust. Okay. And those hits would be in the face in real life.
Yes. Because even I don't need to hit you. Imagine this is your face now.
Okay.
I keep on. You go. You have a reaction. But in training, it's to learn how to play.
Yes.
See? Backhand. Oh. That's why I'm guiding you. See, I'm guiding you.
It doesn't matter what I do because you always have a response.
Because I'm the one who's baiting you to attack me from which angle.
Exactly.
And the thing is, I can hit from your shoulder, for example, any angle.
Any angle. Okay.
So I'm attacking here. See? Any angle. Attack here. That's too much of a telegraph. Hit. Come. Up.
Ooh.
Then when I pull, now I know that. Come.
Oh.
So when you come, here. To that. Here. Boom. Boom. Here. So once I'm here, I drop. There. Then I'm here. What I'm trying to do here is...
Oh.
Sorry.
Microphone.
So what I'm trying to do here is hit you. Boom.
Oh, right.
That, But I change it into...
okay.
Or I hit you here.
Right.
And I change it to...
Thank you. Yes.
Boom. Sorry about that. Boom, elbow to the face. Boom. If you're not flexible, I use my forearm. If you're flexible, I use this. Now as I do this, as I dislocate, it straightens out, no? Now I take this. Pull. I push it down. Then there's your groin.
And my arm hurts in 5 different places at least from all those punches.
Sorry about that.
But that just means it's effective.
We try not to claim that because different people got different realities. Some people when they take drugs, some people when they have alcohol, they will not feel it. So this is why you hit as much as possible until something breaks. So if I break you, at least something worked. So this is why when people said, Maul, he attacked you once, but you hit him 10,000 times. It's because you're not down yet.
Exactly.
I hit you until you're on the floor.
What's your best piece of advice for people out there who want to get better at knife defense?
Drill.
Drill.
Again, our concept is drill makes skill.
Yes.
So you don't do an empty drill. If you're just doing a drill but there is no application and there's no understanding behind the drill, then it's useless. For example, there's only one.
Right.
You have the slash.
Yeah.
And then this slash.
Yeah.
And then every other angle is just variations on it.
Yeah.
So you could hit me here.
Yeah.
That. If you hit me here.
Yeah.
If you hit me here.
Yeah.
You go here.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Same. And what I want is, I always want to hit close to your spleen or to your liver.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I want you to collapse. Once you collapse, now you're lower than me, which makes it an easy fight. You just hit downwards.
Yeah. thank you so much.
Thank you
was
so much.
very interesting.
Thank you.
And
thank you so much. Thank you.
Hit subscribe if all of you enjoyed that.
You heard the guy. See you on the next video, my warrior.